Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use BuzzSumo for content ideas in dropshipping, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to the BuzzSumo website. If you already have an account, click on the login button. Enter your credentials and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, click on the sign up button to create one. Choose a pricing plan that fits your budget and needs. Once logged in, you'll see the BuzzSumo dashboard. Focus on the search bar located at the top of the page. Type in keywords related to your dropshipping niche. Press the Enter key to initiate your search. Review the results displayed on the page. You will notice a variety of content types, including articles, videos, and infographics. Look closely at engagement metrics such as shares and likes. These metrics give you an idea of what content resonates with your audience. You can filter results by content type, publication date, and more. Use these filters to hone in on the most relevant content for your search. Next, click on any piece of content to analyze it further. Take note of the title, source, and the number of shares across different platforms. Consider how these ideas can be adapted for your dropshipping business. Now, return to the dashboard and click on the trending section. In this section, you'll find what is currently popular in your niche. Explore trending topics to discover fresh content ideas. You can also use the Question Analyzer feature. This tool allows you to find questions people are asking regarding your niche. Answering these questions can inspire blog posts or videos. Next, consider using the Content Analysis tool. Here, you can gain insights into what type of content performs best. Look at the formats, lengths, and topics that attract the most engagement. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.